Hi everybody, this is Salim Kasmani once again in the YouTube channel. In today's session we are going to learn how to use Microsoft Excel listing and how to use the command Vlookup. So please, before I start, I want to remind you, please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, give me thumbs up and share it as much as you can. So without wasting the time, let's start. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to add listing and how to use the Vlookup command. For that, I will open a new worksheet. What actually listing is this? This list comes from the main product list. Here it is. I'll show you exactly how to use this, how to make it. And secondly, see, when I'm adding anything from the list here, automatically I'm getting it the code, unit price. Also it comes automatically from the product here. So let's start. I already have one worksheet. I already formatted. I just need to add one here listing, and I will show you exactly the Vlookup. So how to add listing here? Here is the product. I have a product table and I want this to come on the list, so I can select it and automatically I should get a code and unit price. So I keep my cursor here. I go to data here, and then go to data validation, click data validation and click the list. Now here it is asking me the source. I will click this. I will go to product. I will select the range of the list. I will click here again. I will say OK. That's it. Now I have the list. But when I click the list, I don't get any list here, unit price or code. Now what I will do is I will use Vlookup command to bring the item code and unit price. For that, I will type here is equal to Vlookup, then the bracket open, automatically is coming. Then it's asking me lookup value. What is my lookup value? It's a keyboard. And where is this keyboard? C10. So I will type C10 or I will click here C10. Then I type comma. Then it's asking me what is the table area. Table array. Array means the range you have to give it. This is my table range from here to here in the product. Then I type again comma. Now it's asking me what is the column number. What's my column number? Column number is 1 and 2. So code is in column number 2. I'll type 2. Then comma. Now he's asking me approximate match or exact match. Approximate match or exact match. So I say exact match. It's false. So and close the bracket. That's it. Enter. Why it is showing wrong? Because the range is wrong. Sorry. The selection is wrong. I'll cancel this again. And then I go again here, product, I'll select the area. It should be A2 to C8. Now I press enter. See, it's coming. I will repeat again the same thing here. Is equal to Vlookup bracket. Then I select the C10, comma. Then I go to the product and I highlight the area of table A2 to C8. I type comma. Then what is the column number for the unit price? 1, 2 and 3. It is 3. I will type 3. This is what I want there, and it should be false. I'll type it false. enter. That's it. Now what I will do is I will make it lock here, F4, F4. Same way this also, sorry, again, F4, F4, enter. And similar to this one also, F4, F4, enter. Now I will copy. See what happened. I got it, but here I am getting it not applicable, not applicable. I don't like this error. So in this case, what I will do, I'll just type simple. I will type it here. If error, then open bracket, and at the end, comma, double quotes, and close bracket. Same thing I'll copy here also. Same thing I'll copy up. Yeah. Similarly, I will do for this one also. If error, open bracket, and go to end, type comma, then just simply type double quotes and double quotes 2 times. Close. Here it is. Now you can copy this also. And these two also you can copy up to here. You can delete it also, no problem. See, now whenever you select anything, you get it. So this is how you do it. Now you have to add the quantity, whatever you add. And the amount will be is equal to unit price multiply sign is a star by quantity, D10, and press enter. You got it. Now if I enter the quantity, I get the answer. But again, if I copy here, what happens? See, I get the value. Same you have to do here also. If error, open bracket, then at the end type comma and double quotes 2 times, close bracket. Now see what happened. If I copy from here and I go up to here. So we are done with the job. Now here I say 10 quantity, I got it. Now what is the total for this one? Just to say sum, auto sum, here it is. And this I calculate the percentage, 3%. So I got the amount 3% tax. And discount if I am giving 10 rupees, $10, whatever it is. So it will minus 10 from that 440 plus 13, 453 minus 10, 443.20. In the format you can do as you want. I will make the format like this. Format, cell, number, like this and double. So all will become the same line. And at the end, I'll make the border to make a proper looking bill. Here it is. This is how you can make the bill. So that's all for today's. I hope you like my video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up and share it as much as you can. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye. See you.